Welcome to No Silly Questions, the show where I, Gillian Bruce, attempt to answer any question you have about Salesforce, no matter how silly you think it is. And if I can't answer it, well, then I will tap into our incredible community of Trailblazer experts to get an answer just for you. Today, we've got a question from Down Under from Daryl. What's your question?
I know it's in the middle of summer here and it's 28 degrees, but Salesforce said winter's coming in a couple of weeks' time. So you've got to get ready. Why do you name these releases after Northern Hemisphere seasons?
Great question, Daryl. In fact, we've got many people in the past who've asked this question, so I've got an expert from Down Under to get your answer. Megan, what do you have to say?
Hi, my name's Megan Peterson, and I'm a trailhead evangelist based here in Sydney, Australia. And I've been battling this question for quite some time. Why do we have these seasonal releases? Because for me, in Australia right now, it's summer, it's hot, and yet we're having a winter release. So why is it backwards for half the world? Well, one, Salesforce is headquartered in San Francisco in the USA. So we have to remember that that's where it all kind of started. And so we just kind of have to be okay with the fact that it came from HQ in America. And so we follow the season that we follow at our headquarters. The second thing, and I talked to Parker Harris about this, our co-founder.
Hold up. Megan, I gotta see that clip. Parker Harris, co-founder of Salesforce, explain this to Daryl, please.
Early on in Salesforce, we were talking about marketing and we were talking about our releases, and we were saying, this is new. This is the cloud. When you don't install software, it just happens. The seasons just happen. I'm not installing winter. You don't install spring, you don't install summer. And so we came up with that metaphor of seasonal releases, that they just happen and time passes. And, I think the Aussies, everyone down under, you're connecting with another part of the world. And when you're using our service and you see this logo of the snow, you think, ah, yes, it's not this warm and lovely everywhere right now.
Well, thank you, Parker, and thank you, Megan. Daryl, I hope you enjoy that sunshine you've got going on right now and that beautiful summer down under, because here in the Northern Hemisphere, it is not sunny, except for right now in my basement because I'm pretending it is. So Daryl, I hope we answered your question. Now, if you've got a question about Salesforce, no matter how silly you think it is, clearly I have no problem with silly, send it my way. Find me on the Trailblazer community, find me on Twitter. I want to know, what do you want to know about Salesforce? And we'll catch you next time in the cloud.